Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on AMC. I got absolutely destroyed today. I'm actually down $8,700. I'm down from I think 14,000 bucks that I put in here. I will be holding this up until Wednesday, the latest Wednesday afternoon. If not, I will be closing my positions. I did think that the majority of the shares were gonna be actually covered today. Thing is, the market makers and the hedge funds, they can all cover. They have until Wednesday to actually cover everything. So I did tell myself that, like worst case scenario, I will be holding out till Wednesday in case all these market makers are taking a little bit extra time to actually to cover the shorts, right? But as of right now, I am holding off until Wednesday to sell. Depending on where I actually am, I will likely either take the profit or take a loss. If I do sell on Wednesday, hopefully it's at a profit. But I told you guys before, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. On AMC, I'm hoping that we still at least get some sort of profit. I do think that we might rally back up to 20 bucks. I'll drop a TA, but like I told you guys before, I think I dropped a TA on AMC like 2 days ago, and I did say the chart looked extremely bearish. But I did say because there was a bunch of hype around this particular stock that I did think it was going to go up. But again, I guess it was a good time to go to listen to TA, even though TA doesn't really matter for anything that's like hyped up, right? But yeah, as of right now, down 8,700 bucks. I'm probably gonna be selling Wednesday afternoon at the latest, I think. But so far right now, I mean, I'm not too worried. I'm just holding off, just kind of gauging to see what happens. I'm not scared. I'm not like tripping out over losing this money. It's just a regular position to me. But I hope you guys, a good night. I'll update an AMC TA a little bit later today, but I just wanted to update you guys on the AMC position and what I think might actually happen with AMC within the next couple of days and how long I'm actually going to be holding it for. So I'll see you guys later. Good night.